Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Today in this video, we would be discussing about the 2025 predictions for the Libra zodiac sign people. Now Libras are known for their charm, for their giving nature, for their diplomacy and for their well-balanced personalities. In general, 2025 appears to be a year full of changes for the Libra zodiac sign people. These changes can be both good and bad for you. It depends on how you react to these this year. So your reaction and your action both can play a very important role in this year. This year can also test your mental strength and can push you beyond your limits. Hence, this is a very important year for you. Now, in this video, I have divided the year 2025 into three significant time periods depending upon the major planetary transits of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. The first period being from 1st January till 30th March 2025, the second period being from 31st March 2025 till 18th May 2025 and the third period being from 19th May 2025 till 31st December 2025. As we proceed ahead in this video, I would be telling you what all you can expect for yourself in each of these periods and also what all can be done by you in each of these periods to make 2025 a much better year for yourself. Hence, please do watch this video till the end so that you can gain the maximum information from it and you can make 2025 a much better year for yourself. Now, the first period, beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 8th house, Saturn would be present in your 5th house, Rahu would be present in your 6th house and Ketu would be present in your 12th house. On the career front, this can be a very good period for you. You can experience job security. You can experience career stability in this duration. You can be able to overcome any kind of opposition with relative ease in this period. However, there can be a rise in the number of your hidden enemies. Hence, you need to be careful in this period. On the financial front, this can be an average time for you. You can incur expenses in this period owing to your own health mainly. However, you can invest your money wisely in this period and you can also gain material assets like property or house in this period. Even you can purchase a vehicle of your own in this period. On the marital front, this can be an average time for you. You can be required to work much harder in order to improve the quality of your married life. You can have disagreements with your spouse on petty matters in this duration. In case you are still unmarried, then your marriage can face delays in getting fixed in this period. On the health front, this again seems to be an average period for you. However, mentally, you can remain strong and positive in this period. Now, in the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025, in this period, for majority of this period, Jupiter would be present in your 8th house, Saturn would be present in your 6th house, Rahu would be present in your 6th house and Ketu would be present in your 12th house. Now, on the career front, this seems to be a good time for you because you can witness a lot of career growth in this period. You can either be promoted in your job or you can even get an opportunity to change your job in this duration. Also, changing your job in this period can be a very good decision on your part. This period is an auspicious period for changing your job. On the financial front, this seems to be a better time for you. There can be sudden gain in your life. You can get a huge hike in your salary. You can have financial gain with the help of your in-laws in case you are already married by now. You can also incur lesser expenses in this period. On the marital front, this seems to be a good time for you again. You would stay satisfied on the domestic front. You can feel very happy with the behavior of your spouse. However, you can be very worried for your child and can be required to spend more time with your child in this period. On the health front, this seems to be an average time for you. Your chronic illnesses can become more severe in this period. Hence, you must take good care of your health. You can also have an upset stomach often in this period. Now the third period, beginning from 19th May 2025 and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 9th house, Saturn would be present in your 6th house, Rahu would be present in your 5th house, and Ketu would be present in your 11th house. On the career front, this can be a challenging time for you, as you may witness slowdown in almost all your work-related activities. You can experience problems in managing your daily routine in a well and organized manner in this duration. You can experience a very competitive or challenging environment at your place of work in this period. There can also be a decline in your luck factor in this period. On the financial front, this is a tricky period for you. You can desire to have a lot of wealth, a lot of comforts for yourself in this period, but you can face disappointments when it comes to your finances. Your relationship with your friends could be adversely affected in this duration, and you may not get the desired support or cooperation of others in this period. On the marital front, this again seems to be an average time for you. However, there can be a good level of understanding between you and your spouse. You can also be happy from your child's side in this period. On the health front, this seems to be a better time for you, as there can be an improvement in your overall physical health in this period. Now coming to the remedies, this is a very important portion for you, because I'm going to be discussing remedies for the Libra zodiac sign natives for each of these three significant periods. Now for the period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, you should try to help the blind people and the children living in the orphanages. You should also try your best to stay faithful towards your spouse in this period. You should also try to inculcate more and more positive thoughts in your mind in this period. Now for the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. In this period, you should try to inculcate discipline in your day-to-day routine. You should also light a diya with mustard oil under a peepal tree every Saturday in this period, and you should also worship Lord Hanuman with full devotion throughout the duration of this period. Now for the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, you should keep a statue of an elephant made out of silver near you while doing any important work of yours. You should avoid wearing red colored clothes in this period, and you should also worship Lord Shiva with full devotion, especially on Mondays throughout the duration of this period. Okay friends, this was all in this video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it and if you gained some little knowledge through this video, then please do share it with your friends and with the other members of your family. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. Please also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of our videos on time. And I would keep putting in more efforts to bring in more such interesting videos for you in the future as well. Thank you.